Hi there, this is Dhiru Muniluru and welcome to the second chapter. In this chapter, we will get started with the Language Basics series. As the title of the chapter says, we will look at classes, something called objects, and the fundamental units that make up classes and objects. So let's look at the agenda for this chapter. We begin the chapter by discussing about object-oriented environment and its use in modeling real-world scenarios. We will introduce Java's two of the most fundamental object-oriented concepts called class and object. We will understand these concepts conceptually and also see how they can be created in Java. We will next look at some absolute basic coding constructs in Java, which we need to know before we start programming in Java. Next few lessons will include an in-depth coverage of variables. A variable is a basic unit of class and is responsible for holding data. That is, it is basically like a container. We next look at arrays, our first data structure of the course, and is also one of the most basic data structures any programming language supports. Next few lessons will include an in-depth coverage of methods. Like a variable, a method is also a basic unit of class. A software's business logic or algorithms will be part of methods. Finally, we will look at something called constructors, which play a role in constructing or creating objects. So that's the agenda. We will take a top-down approach. That is, we will first look at what classes and objects are, and then we will look at their components. We will also write several demo programs as we go along. So that's it, and let's just jump in and get started.